Hi, it's Julien Barker here. I'm with one of my ST's spinal therapist, Brad, who's our regular football player, and he's all just telling me he's all feeling pretty good. He wasn't the other day, but that's all settled down. Had a good match. Got studded on the left ankle, so we'll have a look at that. Might be interesting if there's either something or nothing. And you're always consistently a right PD, aren't you? Yeah. Okay, right. Let's jump you up and have a look. So hopefully this will be one of those videos where I get to show the great thing about activators is it will tell you what you don't need to do, because if it doesn't need doing, then don't do it. The question is, how do you know? And to quote the guy whose name is on the side here, Harlan, if you're not assessing, then you're guessing, and this is a very accurate assessment protocol. Okay. So first up, yeah, probably won't even pick up on him. He's a little bit short on the right, but actually that's very good for you, Brad. Yeah, there we go. Something must be working. There we go. You changed breakfast cereal or something. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I would I'd mark that down as a 0.1 on a right one. It's a couple of millimeters, and certainly anything less than 7 tends not to come with back pain, neck pain, or both. Anything beyond 7 millimeters, they will almost always say there's back pain, neck pain, or both, and possibly a limb involved. And a right PI ilium. Okay. Right footed, aren't you? Yeah, yeah. There we go. For those that are actually paying attention, I actually did that on setting 3 there. Yeah, cleared it. So there you go. Sometimes you don't have to whack them as hard as you can. Just a nudge will do. Squeeze your knees together and let go. Right hand up behind your back. Swap your hands around. Both hands up behind your back together. Both back down by side. Take your right hand up by your face. Big deep breath in. And out. Left hand up as well. Both back down by side. I guess when we do the video for this one, Roy should probably put soccer injury for our American viewer. Because I don't want to get confused with football and soccer, obviously. They are very different in that world. I don't think America have got a fairly decent national side now, haven't they? Football side.
It's getting better.
It's getting there, isn't it? Yeah. They say turn up now. Oh, never used to. Yeah. Turn your head to the right. Lift the right shoulder off the couch and back down. Shrug both shoulders up towards your ears and back down. Squeeze the right elbow flat against your side and let go. Squeeze the left elbow into your side and let go. I guess we should put an English team into the World Baseball Series eventually, shouldn't we? Shrug your shoulders up and roll them back. And head back into the centre. Okay. Let's do it as textbook, shall we? There we go. Let's just make sure we do it as it. There you go. You should see that finger move. Back down. All the way down now. To the wrist. Okay. So just lift up your head. Back down. Tuck your chin down to your chest, back to centre, push your face down into the couch and let go. What there's no way you can appreciate on the video, and hopefully Brad can feel now, is that the legs have gone all loose. There's just no tension there at all, isn't it? And it kind of changed after that last shoulder adjustment. Okay, stretch your right hand towards your right knee and let go. Left hand, left knee, and back round. Yeah, cool. Okay, so let's have a run through. There's a good Good old sliding tackle coming in there, was it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think he had any intention of going for the ball?
No.
Right, he really was he was playing the man, was he? Yeah, okay. Right, so interestingly, I've got an anterior distal fibula head coming in there, which is, I think that's to do with the front ligament that comes off the ankle here. And when I'm squeezing over the foot there, which is a navicular, so it tends to be my foot got stood on or something was dropped on my foot, so a really common football or rugby injury. Right. Navicular, just come find the edge of the talus anterior superior, perpendicular straight into it. Okay, I tend to find that goes, you often find anterior tibia, not really. There are some calcaneus tests. Yeah, there we go. So just giving it a reasonably decent thump. When I do that medial to lateral one, I'm suddenly getting that right leg short. So let's come in and do a lateral to medial. There we go, and again, that loose leg thing suddenly kicks in. Yeah. Let's check the knee, because knee bone is connected to the ankle bone. Yeah. Did you win?
4-0, yeah.
Well, there we go. The victory, the scars, and the stories. There we go. All good. That was a posterior tibia. Any goals or assists?
No.
Played the full match?
Second half.
Second one. Impact player, were you?
Yeah.
Nice. There we go. So Brad's there, clearly nice and level. Actually, over the months I've known Brad, there was a time where I couldn't actually get him to level, but he's consistently will go level now as well, which is good news. There we go. So more football to come, no doubt. Yeah, good. See you next time.